Marble versus tile flooring. Which one is better? Dear friends, marble is a high-end material that is obtained from large slabs and then cut into tiles and mosaic pieces. To evaluate the pros and cons of using marble versus tiles, it is essential to consider the following 6 factors. Marble versus tiles. Marble is a natural stone that is created through the metamorphic crystallization of limestone, resulting in calcite crystals. Marble flooring has long been associated with luxury and opulence, and each piece is unique with a beautiful, natural look that adds to the overall aesthetic appeal. Unlike marble flooring, tiles are made from silicates or clay that are fired at high temperatures. While they come in a range of attractive colors and finishes, the overall appearance is less authentic compared to natural materials like wood or stone. Marble versus tiles. 6 main differences. Price. Between tiles and marble, flooring made up of marble is more costly. The price of tiles, on the other hand, is primarily based on the brand and design. Tiles are man-made, which makes them more affordable and a popular choice for the short term. Thus, if you're looking for premium flooring between marble versus tiles, then marble flooring is the best choice. Tile flooring is available in a variety of price points, making it appropriate for both expensive and more affordable projects. Durability. With regular use or moderate foot traffic, marble can develop a yellow layer on its surface. However, with proper maintenance and care, marble flooring can last for at least 20 years or even more. Tiles are known for being weather-resistant and long-lasting. They are scratch-resistant and resistant to discoloration and can last for at least 15 years. However, tiles are more fragile than marble and can be easily damaged. Variety. Both marble and tile flooring offer a wide variety of options in terms of colors, patterns, and finishes. Marble flooring comes in different types, which have unique veining and colors. Tile flooring, on the other hand, comes in various materials like ceramic, porcelain, and vitrified tiles, with a range of finishes such as glossy, matte, and textured. Between marble versus tiles, tile flooring has more variety both in terms of design and material options. Appeal. Marble is widely regarded as a symbol of luxury and is commonly used in luxurious properties worldwide. Its shine, texture, and overall beauty are highly appreciated. Likewise, tiles have a strong following as well, offering a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures. However, when compared to natural flooring options like wood or stone, tiles may not look as authentic. A common issue with tiles is that the grout lines created during installation can detract from the overall aesthetics. Maintenance. Marble flooring requires regular maintenance and care to keep it in good condition. It should be sealed to prevent stains and scratches, and spills should be cleaned immediately. Generally easier to maintain, tile flooring is also immune to scratches and stains. You just need to keep in mind that the grout lines between the tiles can be challenging to keep clean, as they can collect dirt and grime over time. Tile usage. Marble flooring is suitable for areas that do not experience high traffic, as it can be more susceptible to scratches and chips. It is commonly used in areas such as living rooms, dining rooms, and bedrooms. It may not be the best choice for areas with high moisture, such as bathrooms and kitchens, as it can be prone to staining. In contrast, tile flooring is adaptable and suitable for various spaces. It's a frequently selected option for places with a lot of foot traffic due to its sturdiness and ability to resist scratches and chips. It's a suitable choice for rooms with high levels of humidity like bathrooms and laundry rooms because it's less prone to getting stained or damaged by water. Moreover, there are specific types of tiles, such as ceramic or porcelain, that are designed for outdoor use and are suitable for areas such as patios and balconies. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.